Well, hello, Tim Crosby here, and it's the season. Well, I don't know when you're watching this, but when I'm recording it, it's the first part of July, and that's the season not only for flying your flag and having barbecues and such, but it's the season for Bing cherries. And so I wore my Paonia Mountain Fruit Company T-shirt. The tune I'm going to play for you is also there's a on the website here is a transcription of it with standard notation and also tablature for mandolin. But I'm going to play it on the fiddle today for you. It's called the Bing Cherry Rag. And what happens in Paonia on the 4th of July, it's my father's hometown. The entire town turns out for a big parade downtown. And probably half to two-thirds of everybody in town is in the parade with floats and decorated bicycles, and or just marching along. The other third of the town watches and then falls in behind the parade as the end of the parade passes them, and they all parade to the park where they have everybody stops at their house and gets their picnic basket and picnic blanket and has a picnic and music in the gazebo and oftentimes a softball game. One time it was between the hippies and the other team were the firefighters and sheriffs. So it's a wonderful festivity. And here's the thing. They call it Cherry Day. And Paonia, I don't know if it still is known as, but was often known as a cherry city. Well, I live in a cherry city now too. Salem, Oregon is also, its subtitle for many years was the Cherry City. So the Bing Cherry Rag, dedicated to Paonia, Colorado, and Salem, Oregon. I may stop in the middle and talk about some tricky fingering, but we'll get there. The Bing Cherry Rag. Here's the tricky fingering. It goes to a C, double stop, but I'm going to shift my fingers to play it with these two. So here's part B. The Bing Cherry Rag. I'm Tim Crosby. Glad you were here.